I'm Sandra from Serbia. I heard of Robert many times, and I received plenty of his very contentful emails. I was looking forward for the course that bridges a lot of structure, coaching and NLP, and as well a lot of wisdom, ancient wisdom, and this is exactly what I gained from the course. So basically I was looking for a modality that gives me more than just the coaching tools. The main one probably was about my identity. Who am I and why I'm here, what I'm doing in the world. Main takeaway from the course for me would be that there are no limits in our life but the ones that we impose on ourselves. I think I changed the perspective on many aspects of my life, which allows me to be more and do more and visualize more and make really what I want in my life reality. Robert is such a complex figure. He's a great teacher. He's a very inspirational character. He's a great human being. He's really good example for every student that comes into this room. Vibe.